program. And with your permission, allow me to now invite the Nyeri branch chairman, Mr. Patrick Karinga, to start us off.
And Secretary, His Excellency Honorable Mutahi Kahiga, Governor of Nyeri County, National Government Leadership present, Nyeri County Government Leadership present, ASK National Chairperson Mrs. Annabel Kilinya, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, sir, to welcome you to the 2024 to grace today's occasion and to officially open this remarkable event. I also extend a warm welcome to our exhibitors, thank you for choosing Central Kenya National Show as your preferred exhibition partner. Sir, the Central Kenya Nyeri National Show continues to play a key role in both agriculture and trade. It provides a vital platform for showcasing the latest advancement and the innovations. The show also provides business-to-business linkages among stakeholders, opening new market fronts that contribute effectively to the region's economy. We have witnessed new strategies, innovations, and appropriate technologies that promote sustainable agricultural production. Your Excellency, sir, we are happy to announce that the show has attracted a significant number of trade exhibitors, as well as experts in the livestock farm and the dairy farm sections. We have registered over 90 trade exhibitors. I take this opportunity to congratulate the members of the respective subcommittees for their dedication and service to the branch and the society. Your Excellency, sir, we have also received the foreign exhibitors who are participating in our show for the first time. We have the new KPCU. Number 2, we have the TVET Authority. Number 3, we have Kabete National Polytechnic. Number 4, we have Isaiah Rayon Life Assurance Company Limited. 5, Office of the Data Protection Commissioner. 6, State Department of Housing and Urban Development. And number 7, Tower Circle, just to mention but a few. Sir, I wish to recognize and appreciate the following institutions for their support in organizing this show. 1, we have the national government for the diverse support in our annual shows. Number 2, we have the Nyeri County government for support in our marketing initiative. 3, we have Kenya Tea Development Agency for sponsoring today's luncheon. Finally, we have the Harvest Festival sponsors, among others. We also appreciate the continued support from exhibitors and stakeholders in this region. Your Excellency, sir, I wish to thank the National Office
Leadership present, the Regional Commissioner, ASK Nyeri Branch Chairman Mr. Patrick Karinga, sponsors of the 2024 Central Kenya National Show, distinguished exhibitors, farmers, and the people of Nyeri, ladies and gentlemen. Your Excellency, on behalf again to welcome you to the 2024 Central Kenya National Show, It's a prestigious event, sir, that marks the 56th edition since the inception of this show in 1968. Thank you, sir, for always accepting our invitations to grace not of you. Your unwavering support towards the society's annual events is truly. The society's role is to provide a platform for exhibitions and networking that spur development across the country. Have continued to promote climate-smart agriculture and trade initiatives in line with our theme, promoting climate-smart agriculture and trade initiatives for sustainable economic growth. Your Excellency, the Agricultural Society of Kenya is committed to continue working in partnership with the national government and the Nyeri County government, as well as other line stakeholders, to create an enabling environment that guarantees realization of the national government's bottom-up economic transformation agenda. Your Excellency, we have completed the development of the integrated land use master plan brief for the Kabiroini showground. However, sir, we are yet to secure the land ownership documents. The society has been engaging the Kenya Forest Service to secure special use license to enable implementation of this wonderful master plan. And sir, we kindly seek your intervention to assist the society acquire the user license with subsequent waivers of the annual license fees. Once again, sir, to enable us implement this great master plan. And now, sir, as I conclude, allow me to congratulate the ASK Central Kenya Nyeri Branch Chairman, Mr. Patrick Karinga, and his team for delivering this wonderful. I now wish to invite His Excellency, Honorable Mutahi Kahiga, Governor of Nyeri County, to share his remarks, and invite the Agriculture and Livestock Development Cabinet Secretary, Dr. Andrew Karanja, to proceed with the program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, National Chair.